All right, guys, welcome to Link in Space. So today I will be giving you a free airdrop. You'll be able to claim free Solana if your Phantom wallet has been active. If you have used Phantom wallet to swap coins and do some transaction, congratulations. You'll be eligible for this free Solana claim. Watch the video carefully and don't forget to subscribe, share, and put down your comment if this video was helpful. So let's get started. Step 1. Copy the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. Open your Phantom wallet and paste the link in the dApp browser and load it. So once the site has finished loading, Step 2, connect your wallet. You'll be asked to connect your wallet. Click on the Connect section. Once you click on the Connect, go ahead and choose Phantom, then you'll be asked to confirm the connection. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more crypto updates, as you can see. So you click on the Connect. Remember, if your Phantom wallet has been active and you have used it to perform some transactions, such as swap and transfers, you'll be eligible for this free Solana claim. So once your wallet is connected, you will see it here. Then once you scroll down, you see the amount of SOL you can claim. As you can see, I'm already eligible to claim 0.001 plus Solana. Step 3, scroll down and click on Claim. Confirm the transaction. YOLA! You have successfully claimed your free Solana. Head back to your dashboard and refresh. As you can see, it has reflected. So guys, this is it. You can also share your referral link to your friends to earn 30% of their claim. Once you click on this button, the referral link will be copied, paste it to your friends, and you earn 30% or whatever they claim. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and share this video for more crypto updates.